Hi everyone, it's Kristina. Today I'm taking a calm moment in the kitchen while wearing my white raincoat, giving gentle attention to the upper space around the cabinets. I really love how the kitchen can feel completely different when everything looks clean and balanced. When the area above feels fresh and cared for, the whole room becomes lighter and more comfortable. The space feels clearer, the atmosphere softens, and everything feels more organized. These quiet routines help me slow down and reset. Nothing rushed, nothing loud, just a steady rhythm and clean energy filling the kitchen. The white raincoat adds a light, minimal feeling that keeps the moment calm and intentional. Small resets like this remind me that even simple care can change the mood of a home. A clean look, a calm pause, and the space feels renewed again. Thank you for sharing this calm kitchen moment with me. See you in the next video.